Ordinal numbers are often used as adjectives as well. Okay, they are used as adjective to define anything about the noun, right? And they are just like, your adjectives are inflected in Hindi. For example, you say good boy or good girl. Okay, acha ladka and achhi ladki. Like depending on where it is being used, it gets inflected, right? Acha becomes achhi when you're using it with a girl. The ending of these gets inflected as well. Yeah, so I'll give more examples, but let's say you have 12th class. So it's kaksha. I'm going to write it down nicely again. Kaksha. Kaksha is class, or you can just say class itself if you don't know. How do you know class is? You said barwa. Okay, what if I tell you this is feminine? Very good. Baharvi. Barhavi, which is people often colloquially say Barvi, but Baharavi Kaksha. Right? So it's just simple. Va for masculine singular. Okay. Ve for masculine plural. And V for feminine singular and plural. Okay, so 12th class is Bahra, you're ending it with V. Baharvi Kaksha. 12th boy. Beautiful. Barwa ladka. Use them in the sentences, right? It will be easier for you, right? It'll be easier for you to remember that way, okay? So let's just take some examples. 4th row. Row is feminine. Chauthi row, okay? What is row in Hindi? So you have a Qatar, which is basically you have a Ka, Ta, and and the Qatar and Pankti. So Chauthi Qatar or Chauthi Pankti or Chauthi row. Okay, let's do 5th street. Street is also feminine. Panchvi gali, okay, or Panchvi sadak. 10th floor. So floor is manzil. Manzil is also your destination, right? So you can say daswi manzil. Doesn't have a copy. So let's say you have a simple example of like the 12th boy doesn't have a laptop, let's say. 12th boy would be just 12th boy is Barwa ladka. Okay, how will you proceed this one? Yes. Okay, so when you want to have like possession, it's ke paas. Okay, so for example, if I want to say mere paas pen hai, I have a pen. Mere paas cup hai, I have a cup. It is just like an adjective, it will become barve ladke के पास लैपटॉप है और लैपटॉप नहीं है. ओके, 12वें लड़के के पास लैपटॉप है. The 12th boy has a laptop. Okay, let's say, in case if some people do not know ke paas yet because we're not done, I live on the 12th floor. What is to live? Rehna or to stay? Both of them. So you want to say I stay would be मैं रहता हूँ. Your simple sentence. Now you want to say I live on the 12th floor. मैं 12वीं मंजिल पे रहता हूँ. I live on the 3rd street. Okay, मैं तीसरी गली में रहता हूँ. I live on the 15th avenue. 15वें एवेन्यू पे रहती हूँ. I want you to get comfortable making simple sentences in